Welcome. In this walkthrough, I'll demonstrate a complete, modern analytics solution built on Microsoft Fabric, covering every layer from raw data ingestion all the way through to AI-powered reporting. Let's dive in. We start in the Fabric workspace with the bronze layer, our raw ingestion stage. Open the pipeline called pl_bronze_moodle_ingest. This pipeline connects directly to a Moodle SQL database and copies raw tables into the Fabric lakehouse. The tables we're ingesting are courses, quizzes, users, course completions, grades, and quiz attempts. Next, we move to the silver layer, where we clean and standardize the data using Dataflow Gen 2, with a little help from Copilot. Open the Dataflow. Copilot helped generate the transformation logic here. Key transformations include converting Unix epoch timestamps into readable datetime values, removing or hashing PE fields, standardizing column names and data types, and creating derived columns like course age and completion flags. The output of this data flow writes clean, typed tables directly into the silver schema of the Fabric data warehouse. This layer gives us trusted, analytics-ready data. Now we move to the gold layer. This is where our analytics engineering happens, powered by dbt. Open the dbt project. Go to Create New Item, select the dbt preview, give it a name, and click Create. dbt builds curated business models on top of the silver tables. To connect it to our GitHub repository, click Connect to GitHub project, then GitHub source control. A dialog will appear. Fill in the GitHub repository URL, select your connection, set the authentication kind to GitHub Personal Access Token, and click Next. Select the branch, in our case, main, then click Next again. Choose the data warehouse, select the silver schema, and connect. Your dbt artifact is now linked to GitHub. Added to the gold schema. We created two key models here. First, Gold Course Summary. This calculates total enrolled learners, total completed learners, and the overall course completion rate. Second, Gold Quiz Performance. This calculates average score, highest score, and pass rate percentage. dbt tests run automatically to ensure data quality before anything is published. These gold models become the single source of truth for all reporting. Governance isn't an afterthought here, it's built in. Open the pipeline called pl_metadata_capture. This pipeline automatically scans the warehouse system catalog and captures table names, column names, data types, and layer classification, whether silver or gold. All of this is stored in a centralized metadata registry table, keeping the platform self-documenting as models evolve. The lookup activity queries the silver schema using the information schema, and the results feed into A for each loop that inserts each record into the metadata registry. The platform stays governed automatically. Fabric separates data pipelines from dbt jobs, so orchestration is handled through scheduled runs. The daily schedule works like this. Pipelines run first to ingest and transform data through to silver. Then dbt runs to build the gold models. The metadata pipeline updates the governance catalog. And finally, the semantic model refreshes, ready for reporting. Open the semantic model. The gold tables power an AI-ready semantic model. I've enhanced this model with column descriptions, business definitions, AI instructions, and verified answers for Copilot. Two examples of the business rules encoded here. Courses with a completion rate above 70% are classified as successful, and quizzes with a pass rate below 40% are flagged as difficult. This setup ensures that any AI-generated insights are trustworthy and grounded in real business logic. Open the Power BI report. Page 1 is the course completion overview. It shows an overall completion KPI,